Hello dear friends, I'm Priya and this is the Crypto Earner channel. In this channel I introduce best crypto games, projects and airdrops. So if you're interested in making money online, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Today I want to introduce Avarik Saga, a high potential play to earn game that is still in early stages. This game is in the genre of anime and will be launched in the second half of 2024. But at the moment, we can play a minigame and earn points. We can earn real token of this game by these points. So don't miss this big airdrop. It's very simple, I will explain. Before checking the game, let me remind you about other high potential play to airdrop events that I introduced them earlier, like Backwoods and Pirate Nation. Don't underestimate these high potential airdrops. These projects can make good money for us. So I really recommend you to take part in these events. You don't need much time to complete them daily. Okay, now let's check how we can register in the Avarik Saga airdrop. First, you can click on the link in the description. Then you can sign in with your X account. After that, you can click on this Dice Adventure button and you will see this page. You can do these steps on your mobile using your MetaMask wallet browser because you need to connect your wallet to complete one of the quests. It is not mandatory, but I will show you how to connect your wallet using MetaMask. This is the main menu of the Play to Airdrop event of Avarik Saga. We can play this free-to-play game here. NFT holders can also play game in the Avarik holders section, but I don't make any financial advice about this project. You can play this game completely free. You can refer your friends and earn more dices here. Note that each player can refer up to 50 players. My code is full at the moment, but I will share some free referral codes in the pinned comment for you. You can also share your referral code in the comment section so other players can use, because by entering the referral code, you will get 5 more dices. You can enter referral code here at the challenge section. Here you can see the daily quests. Every day you can complete these 4 simple quests and earn 5 free dices. Let's complete them. First, login daily. You can get its reward just by clicking on it. Second, visit our Discord. Again, you can complete it just by clicking on it, but you can also join their Discord and follow their announcements. Third, share your progress and mention. You can complete this quest just by sharing a post on your Twitter. Then you can click on verify and copy your post link and give it to the game. Then you will get 1 more dice. And also you will get 2 more dices for completing all of the daily quests. Now let's check the challenge tab quests. For example, you can connect your wallet to the game and get free dices. This game works on Arbitrum network. You can add Arbitrum network to your MetaMask wallet using chainlist.org website. Simply click on the Add to MetaMask button and approve the message in your MetaMask. Then you can simply click on this Go button and select MetaMask. Then you can click on this Verify button and earn free dices. I emphasize again, if you want to do these steps on your smartphone, you can use MetaMask wallet browser. You can also earn dices by completing social tasks. For example, you can follow their Twitter pages and earn more dices. And at the Engage section, you can like, retweet, and repost their posts and earn more dices. Now, let's check the game. After clicking on the free-to-play section, you can choose your level. Note that you need to clear a level to be able to play the next level. Here you can simply click on this dice and your character will move based on your number. You have to play the game until you reach the end. Along the way, you can earn points by stopping at the point cells, and you will get this huge reward by completing a map. And note that the final reward will be increased in the next levels. The game is so simple, and this is not the final gameplay. This is just a mini game to reward the players and getting them ready for the main game. At last, you can check your points in the leaderboard section. When they launched their token, you will get rewarded based on your points. Okay guys, thanks for being with us. I hope this video was useful for you. If you are interested in making money from crypto games, projects and airdrops, be sure to subscribe to our channel. And if this video was useful for you, please like it. You can earn money from these two games too, so don't miss them. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.